What if in this video I show you an AI tool which can write the better YouTube scripts than you? This sounds crazy, right? But it's actually true. This AI uses YouTube algorithm from research to creating the viral scripts for you in just few minutes. And the best part, I'm going to show you the live demo action in working, how this AI is going to generate the hooks, titles and the full scripts for you in just few minutes. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this AI is the subscriber AI, and this is going to offer you full YouTube automation system that is going to create the viral video scripts for you, from finding proven frameworks to writing the engaging scripts for you in just few minutes. And this is the best for even you are the professional YouTuber or even you create the faceless YouTube videos. So let me show you how this tool works out. So this is the demo I am showing out, and I have created a script for the subscriber AI review, and this is the script building process started. On first, I am going to research the content on the internet, and based on that I am going to find out the factual data that will be used in my script here. So the best part, it has the dedicated section available for the research where you can add the data in form of the text, video, and you can even scrape the web, or you can add your other YouTube videos link so it can generate the content for you. So right now you can see we have the research limit, it is showing, but you can increase the research limit. Okay, then how you can add the research content. For example, I want to search the web, so I will select this option, and now you have to add your search topic or keyword here. Best thing, it is also going to suggest you the few keyword terms that you can use and find out the results here. Then you can add them like this. Same way you can add the links, you can add the video URLs here, and you can add even the text file. Okay, and this is how it is going to show you our research content here. The next thing, we are going to use the framework, on which framework we want its AI to generate the script for us. So based on the research content, it is going to offer you few frameworks for the scripting, like problem solution result or the before after bridge demonstration. And you can click here on this plus icon to show more like this frameworks for you. So this is how it is going to show you more frameworks. You can select any of these one, and there's also the AI chat option available like we use in the ChatGPT. Here you can add your personalized prompt to generate the frameworks according to your needs. So I have selected this one, that's why it is showing the green. So once you have selected, you can go to the next part, that is creating the titles or generating titles for you. So whether you click here or you click here, this is going to offer you the same interface. Okay, now these are the title it is suggesting me. I can select any of these one, or simply I can add my personalized prompt to specify the things I needed in my title. So based on that, I got this script title here, so I will select this one. Okay, and now let's go with it. The next part, that is the thumbnail. So here it is not going to generate the thumbnail for you, but it is going to give you the suggestion or the information on which you can generate or design your thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail idea it has given me, and I have selected this one, an energetic YouTuber creating with trophy labeled video script creator standing next to a computer with subscriber AI open. So I have selected this one, and the next part is creating the hooks. So you remember I have talked a few lines while starting this video, so that is what the hook I have used, and that hook is generated by this AI. So this is the hook I am talking about. I have selected this one, but again you can select or click here on this plus icon. It will suggest you more hooks relevant to that you have selected, or you can just give your prompt here to generate the specific hook for you. Then we have the next thing, that is the payoff. So payoff is simply what I talk here is the points or the subtopics you want to cover in your video here. So based on the research, it is going to show you some of the subtopics you can select here. You can select the multiple subtopics like this here, and the next part we have the draft. So in the draft, it is going to create the script draft for you. That is basically the before finalizing your script. Here you can read out, find out the problems, or you want to change something, you can do that in the draft section. Okay, for example, I want to change something in this draft, so simply I will click here on the right, and now I can easily remove or add few lines or the text in my draft here. So that's how. So suppose you have created your draft here. Let me scroll down below and show you the more thing. So right now in this second subtopic, this is the point it has automatically generated, and this point is going to cover in the draft. So right now it's in the pointer format, but let me tell you, once you click here on the generate draft, it is going to turn these points into the fully text draft. So basically with the points, it is getting the idea on which things needs to be added in the draft here. So that's how you can see these points are generated into the draft. Okay, so that's how basically it's work. Now let me talk about the what are the other ways you can use this. The next step, we are going to review our draft here. So we will go to this review option, and it is going to show you all the information that you have used, like the word count, the speaking time of your video, the readability for you to read out the script, and the reading grade. So this is going to give you the overview, and here's how you are going to download the script. Even you can copy the script based on your desired platform, or simply you can download the script in the Word format here. Okay, same way you can download your research content, and here's the brief review. You can check it out for the thumbnail. So basically you remember I have selected a prompt for or the idea for my thumbnail. So here I can see that idea for the thumbnail. This is going to based on curiosity and the emotion. This is my hook part, this is the unique angle, and this is my audience goal. So that's how it has generated the video script for me that I can read out or I can use to creating the videos. Isn't this really mind-blowing? Let me tell you in the comments here. So there are more options and the features available in this platform, like the ideation chat here. You can analyze the competitors' research video, you can generate titles, or whatever the specific thing you want to ask this AI, here you can do that. For example, I want to analyze any competitor's channel here. So simply I will click here, and now after that it is going to ask me that video or the channel URL here. For example, you can also add the username. So I'm just going to copy the any of these videos. Let me copy this one. Okay, now let's back to the subscriber, and now this time I want to analyze this video, what formats are currently crushing it on this YouTube video. Okay, so I will simply change a little bit and paste that video link and click here on the enter, and now it is going to analyze this video, find out the things I have asked here. Okay, so it can take some times around the 10 or 20 seconds, and based on the thing you have asked. So right now it is start working. So you can see top performing formats, presenting information in the numbered step-by-step format, storytelling approach, you can see. So with just the link, I got all the details here. So that's how you can use its ideation chat, and you can even ask the more things here, like it is suggesting me few things, but I can also give my specific terms here. Then let's see what are the other features we can use. So I have showed you this ideation chat where you can do the multiple things. Then there are the more tools available, like breakdown, the keyword research, title generator, hook generator, description generator, and the tag generator. And this is really the time saving. For example, I want to do the keyword research. So I will go to here, enter my seed keyword that I want to do. For example, how to create video scripts. Okay, so this is my term. I will click here on the generate keywords, and now it will find out the most searching terms on the YouTube based on my seed keyword I have entered here. You can see video script writing, how to write a video script template, script writing for videos. Okay, so I got so many keyword ideas here, and I can see any of these one when I click here. For example, video content creation to 2025. Okay, so I will click here, and now this will open the search page on the YouTube. Okay, so this makes so much easy to finding out what are the other keyword terms that are most searching on the YouTube here. Okay, then you can also connect your YouTube channel here. I have connected my YouTube channel here, and when I click here, it is going to show me the few options, like I can create the fresh script here. I have already created a script that I have showed you in the beginning. So this is how it is going to look like in the draft or in the script section. If you want to create a new one, simply click here on the script. After that, you have to add the video topic format. Okay, so it has the multiple formats available. Like for me, I mostly do the review kind of this stuff or the educational, but there's also the story, video, sales letter, vlog, documentary, and this is the listicle kind of the videos you can create. Right now, let me select it is this one, that is the review. Now I'm going to select the topic for me. So this is the topic idea I want to create, and simply after that it is asking me the audience. So here you have to add the few information which audience is going to watch videos, this video for you. So let me paste it here to for people who struggle to write video scripts on the YouTube. Then after that you can select the language, voice, and the script numbers. I'm going to go with the 2, 3, 5, no matter how many the numbers I want. Simply I have to add it here. For example, let me go with the 1, and after it is going to show you how many credits it is going to require. Okay, so if I select the 2, still it is going to just require the 5. Let me go to the 3. Okay, no matter how many the number of scripts I want to generate, it is only going to cost me the one time 5 credit. Now let's click here on the create script, and the same process it is going to start again. That is I have already showed you while beginning of this video. Okay, then there is the tools section. I have already talked about the tools. There is the keyword research, there's the hook generator, the title generator, tag generator. You can use any of these one, and this is the chat option like the ChatGPT we use here, but this is specially built for the YouTube resources and the YouTube creativity here. That's why I suggest you should definitely check it out, this tool. Right now it's available on the App Store starting from the just $59. Think again. In just $59, you are getting a full YouTube automation that is going to work for you. Either you want to generate the script, title, hooks, or the description, and there's also the ideas you can get on your thumbnail. So this is something like the combined digital marketing for your YouTube in this single tool, and just $59 you have to pay. So let me go to the plans and features and show you the credits here. The ideation chat generation limit, you are going to get the 200 per month, means the 200 times you can chat with its chat feature. And the scripts you can generate for the credits, you have seen that I have created a script in the 5 credits. So you are here to get this some credits here. In the tier 1 plan there's the no credits available, sorry, but if you want the credits you have to go with the tier 2, tier 3, or the tier 4 plan. Okay, so here you will get the credits like the 20, 60, or 125. The channels you can connect, this is the limit, the users limit, and the video format, or how much it is going to longer, or the how much longer scripts you want to generate, you can also see here. So let me tell you, if you want the more or the all of the features access, I think you should go with the tier 2 plan starting from the $59. Although you can access the subscriber AI with the tier 1 plan, but there are so many limits and some of the features not available here. You can see the red crosses means these features not available in the single tier plan. That's why I suggest go with or from the tier 2 plan, or you can select the tier 3 or the tier 4 or tier 5 based on the how many YouTubes you run, or if you have the agency. What I suggest, go with the tier 5. So this is the thing I want to talk about. Make sure you check it out, this deal. The link will be given in the description, and I have also added the free gifts coming with the subscriber.ai that I am giving out from my side. Make sure you check out the description for those free gifts as well. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated.